Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to roast pumpkin seed. It's very high in nutrition, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Let's begin with the benefits of pumpkin seeds. Full of valuable nutrients, high in antioxidants, very high in magnesium, lowest blood sugar level and high in fiber. Today I've taken the seeds from one full pumpkin. This weighs about 50 grams. Let's remove the seed from the flesh. Soak it in a bowl of water. Mash and squeeze using your hands. The seeds will start to free itself. Now drain off the water and clean wash the seeds and keep it ready. Spread the seeds in a clean cloth and let this dry for an hour. After an hour, the seeds should be dry. At this stage, transfer the seeds to a steel plate and spread it well. Sun dry it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, transfer the seed to a baking tray. Add a teaspoon of oil and quarter teaspoon of salt. You can go with any seasoning of your choice. Today I'm going to keep it simple. Toss it well and make sure the salt and oil is well coated in the seed. Now bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our roasted pumpkin seeds are out from the oven. Look at the golden tint of the seeds. It's perfectly baked and super crispy. You can munch this whenever you feel like. Stir it in an airtight container and enjoy for a month's time. Very healthy snack, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.